For the SEs out there,
Amazing.
very worth demoing that. It's in the core Omni instance. I'm sure
That is
like
amazing. Super humbling. I'm also going to talk quickly about apps. But yeah, just very humbled by some of the stuff I'm seeing from creators. I want to show my Chrome. So, and my daughter. Um, and working on the edit flow. So, there's a couple different ways that manifests. It can be if you've created an app before and you just go back to it and you're like, Blobby doesn't know about my app, and that's working a lot better now. The draft publish flow is now working, or sorry, this is all local, so it's not yet, but it will be soon. Draft publish flow. So uh, Blobby will open a draft to edit your app, and then you can publish and then iterate, and that way you have version history, which is pretty crucial if you feel like it messed up. Another thing that I think is going to be fun, please go back in, is creating your queries first. So create my query here. We've had this little button for a while, but now it actually is useful because you can have a workbook, and now I have an app, but it's like not great. And so I can just say, it will look better. And of course, you'd have something way more interesting and awesome if you're the type of person who likes to manually build your queries. Although I guess that's out of fashion these days. Just thinking about how to make it look nice. I think Dan is going to also have some like better like HTML feedback where it's like you actually get to see the HTML as it's building, but see the final product, and then you can publish and iterate, and it should all work.